Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Bitdefender Total Security software for free. Before getting into the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future videos. I have used many antivirus software. Bitdefender Total Security is one of my favorite, as it has easy user interface, file shredder, ransomware protection, VPN, and firewall etc. But I don't want to purchase it for money. So I have used its free trial of 90 days. But how can I use it after I run out of my trial? Well, I'm using it right now for 2 years, just by getting another trial after 3 months. It's just a 5 minutes trick, saves some money. Let's see the step-by-step procedure. First, open your web browser and go to tempmail.org. It will provide you a temporary mail ID. Copy it to the clipboard. Open new tab in your browser and open Bitdefender 90 days free trial link. I have given the link in description below. Enter the mail ID that you got from TempMail. Fill the captcha and click Get It Now. Now go back to the TempMail tab. You will receive mail from Bitdefender. Open and click Install Bitdefender. You will be prompted to sign in. Click Create New One to create new account. Enter name as you like and paste the temporary mail in email address. Create a strong password for your account. Agree the conditions and click Create Account. Well, you will see that your account has active subscription of 90 days for 5 devices. Click Protect this device to download installer for your current device. If you have not installed Bitdefender, download the installer and run it to install. After installed, sign in with that temp mail and password you created. If you already installed Bitdefender Total Security and you just want to activate it, cancel this download. Since I have already installed, I'm going to skip the download and activate the subscription. Now go to the Temp Mail tab. You will receive another mail from Bitdefender for account verification. Open it and click Verify Now. Open Bitdefender Total Security application. Click Switch Account and sign into your new account you just created. That's all. Bitdefender Total Security Trial 90 days again activated. Repeat these steps every 3 months. It would take just 5 minutes to get trial. You can use the same account for 5 devices, your laptop, desktop, mobile phone, even your friend's mobile. And you can use high-speed VPN of 200 MB daily for individual devices. If you liked this video, please like it. If you have any doubts, please comment it below or ask me on Instagram. I have given link in description. Please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.